Hi guys, it's me, Sheila J, and I'm here to do a review on Mayvenn hair. And Mayvenn hair is the company that I purchased the hair that I made this wig with, and it is in my first 360 frontal wig, and I haven't really made this type of wig before, so this was like kind of new. So I got a little trial and error when it comes to making this type of wig. Will I make this wig again? Yes, I will. If I can get 100 likes on this video, I will post up a YouTube tutorial on how I made this wig, or future wigs in general, because I already made the wig, so I didn't really record. I wanted to know what I'm doing first before I went and did a video, but I have a lot of things I gotta learn for the next video before I decide I want to do it. But if I get 100 likes on this video, I will do a YouTube tutorial on how to make wigs. But the hair itself came in, like, for Mayvenn from the packaging company, they came in this little silk packaging and whatnot. It's really cool. This is actually what this is their little texture of different hairs that they have that they sent me, because I sell the hair with different colors that it comes in, the different textures of hair. But I had the body wave, Brazilian body wave. I really like this texture, like, a lot. This is the Brazilian body wave right here. I really like this texture. It's really smooth. I have a 20 inch, 18 inch, and two 16 inches, and the frontal, which is a 14 inch frontal. I really love the body, the volume that this gives me. I really love the look that it gives me. It gives me a different look compared to my curly hair that I have. It's easy to maintain. You can color the hair, and was gonna color it, but I decided to keep this simple. I will probably color my next wig that I make, but for this one in particular, I decided to just keep this wig what it is. I do like me with darker hair. I kind of think it brings out more of my skin tone, even though people say it drowns me out a little. I think I like how this looks. And because it is a 360 wig, you can pretty much part this any way that you would like to part it. You can put it up in a ponytail if you would like. You can pretty much do anything with this type of wig. You can literally put it up in a ponytail. You can do anything that you want. And I guess this is the first time that I made this type of wig before. I haven't really made a wig like this. And, I think I did a pretty good job for being the first time that I made a 360 frontal wig. But I do love Mayvenn hair. This is the first time I've gotten hair from them, and I'm in love with the hair. The quality of the hair is amazing. Even after I washed it, it still remained intact. I really didn't have to do much trimming to the ends. Like, there's a lot of companies that have sponsored in the past. What ends up happening is that the ends will be dead, kind of look dead, so I end up having to trim it. But the ends are really smooth. Like, I kind of play with the ends and twist and twirl the ends. But for the most part, I really do love this hair. And if you want to see more videos like this of me basically reviewing, like I said, it's pretty long because the hair is pretty long. I think that for it being my first time making a wig, it came out pretty good, and the hair is, like I said, pretty good quality as well. If you would like to purchase hair from me, or purchase hair from Mayvenn in general, I will post up the link below for you to click on and check them out. You do get like a 15% off discount when you purchase 3 bundles of hair. And I think I have a friend discount code. If you would like that friend discount code, message me on Instagram and I am Sheila J, and I will send you a friend discount code as well. And don't forget to hit up my other IG, my fashion blog, Styling with Sheila J, and follow me on that, and my Snapchat, I am Sheila J. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.